Using time in a happy and valuable way. A 2 English article. Time is important. Every person in the world has time. We all have 24 hours in a day, but not all people use time the same way. Some people waste time. Some people enjoy time. Some people feel they don't have enough time. Others feel they have too much. So how can we use our time well? How can we make time feel special? How can we live each day with joy? Using time well starts in the morning. When we wake up early, we feel fresh. We hear the birds. We see the sun. We drink tea or coffee. We breathe deeply. We think about the day. That first hour is very important. If we begin the day happy, we feel better all day. A good morning makes a good day. It helps us stay calm. It helps us focus. So, waking up early is a great way to use time. After we wake up, we can make a small plan. The plan does not need to be big. It can be simple. We can write it on paper. We can say, today I will read, or we can say, today I'll take a walk. 1 or 2 goals are enough. These goals help us stay on track. They help us feel strong. When we finish a task, we feel proud. This gives us joy. This gives us energy. Sometimes we sit for many hours, we look at our phones, we scroll and scroll. Time passes fast, but we feel tired, we feel empty. That is not good. That is not real rest. Real rest is peaceful. It helps the mind. It helps the body. It helps the heart. So we must be careful. We must use screens less. We must talk more. We must walk more. We must laugh more. That is a better way to spend time. Learning is a great use of time. When we learn, we grow. When we read, we understand more. We can learn English. We can learn how to cook. We can learn about the world. Learning gives us power. It makes life fun. It keeps the mind young. It helps us feel alive. A person who learns each day is never bored. They always have something to enjoy. Helping others is also a great way to use time. When we help, we feel love. We feel useful. We feel important. We can help our family. We can help a friend. We can help someone in the street. Even a kind word is help. Even a small smile is help. These small things take a little time, but they give big joy. They give peace. They make life better. Rest is also part of good time use. Working too much is not good. Rest is not a waste. It is needed. It is care. When we rest, we get new energy. When we sleep well, we feel strong. When we take a break, we think better. So taking time to rest is smart. We must listen to our body. We must be kind to ourselves. A good life has balance. Work and rest, both are needed. Spending time with family is one of the best ways to enjoy life. We can talk. We can eat together. We can play games. We can go outside. These moments are special. They stay in the heart. They bring smiles. Family time is not about doing big things. It is about being together. It is about love. It is about simple joy. Many people say, I don't have time. But maybe the truth is different. Maybe the problem is not time. Maybe the problem is how we use it. We all have the same time, but our choices are different. If we choose well, time becomes a gift. If we use it with care, time gives us happiness. So we must ask, what do I do with my time? Do I enjoy it? Do I waste it? Do I share it? We can also enjoy time by being present. We don't always need to rush. We don't always need to worry. Sometimes we can just stop and breathe. We can look at the sky. We can listen to a song. We can feel the moment. This is called mindfulness. It is very helpful. It teaches us to live now, not in the past, not in the future, but now. Some people always look busy. They run here and there, but they are not happy. Why? because they do not enjoy what they do. They forget to stop. They forget to rest. They forget to smile. Life is not a race. It is a journey. We must enjoy the walk. You can make your day better with small actions. Drink water, stretch your body, open the window, let the fresh air in. Say good morning to someone. Pet a cat. Water your plants. These small things make life sweeter. They bring peace. Another way to enjoy time is to follow your passion. What do you love? What makes your heart happy? Maybe you like to paint. Maybe you like to write. Maybe you enjoy music. Use your free time for your passion. It gives your day color. Also, cleaning your space can help. A clean room brings a clean mind. A clean desk helps you think. It makes you feel ready. You feel more relaxed. You feel more focused. So take time to clean a little every day. You can also enjoy time by listening to music. Music is magic. It helps you feel better. It helps you relax. It helps you remember good times. Listen to your favorite songs. Sing with them. Dance if you want. Feel the rhythm. Enjoy the moment. Eating well is also part of happy time. Eat fresh food. Eat slowly. Enjoy the taste. Eat with people you love. Talk while you eat. Laugh while you eat. These meals become good memories. Cooking together is fun too. Taking care of your health is important. Go for a walk. Do some light exercise. Move your body. Feel your heartbeat. Feel your breath. Your body needs love too. A healthy body gives you energy. You can do more. You can enjoy more. Time is special. Once it is gone, it does not come back. So use it wisely. Use it kindly. Use it with love. Make each hour count. Make each minute beautiful. Life is made of small minutes. Use them well. When you feel sad, don't waste time in pain. Talk to someone. Go outside. Take deep breaths. Write your feelings. Cry if you need. Then stand up. Keep going. Hard times pass. Good times will come again. Also, be kind to yourself. Don't rush too much. Don't be too hard on yourself. You are doing your best. That is enough. Take breaks. Sleep well. Eat well. Laugh often. Love yourself.